So for head rolls, I like to think of them in two different categories. There are head rolls that go from one side to the other, and there are head rolls that go from one side and then back up to center. Depending on what you're doing, you might want to use one versus the other. We're going to start with a warm-up so that we can strengthen and stretch our neck and shoulders and get more warmed up before we start our head rolls. So just follow along with me. We'll take it nice and slow to start. So now that we're warmed up, let's work on our check mark head roll first. Our check mark head rolls are the ones where we go from one side down to center and then straight back up, which we did in our warm-up. So we've actually done both types in our warm-up. We just did them slow and we were just warming up, so I wasn't explaining them. So let's start to our left first. You're gonna drop your ear down towards your shoulder. Try not to crunch your sides. So you want your body to be pretty stable, pulling the belly in, and you're just dropping your ear down. We're isolating our neck to move our head. From here, you're going to tuck the chin and allow your head to fall forward, and then it's going to come straight up. So this is 1, 2, 3 for now. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. So a couple things about any head rolls is that because we're so used to watching ourselves when we dance, it's tempting to try and keep looking forward at the mirror or the front of your room. But what that does is it pushes your neck forward and jets your chin out, which we aren't technically doing at any point, and we don't want to do it. It's bad posture. So instead, when we tuck forward here, look down towards the floor so that your gaze matches where your head is angled and it doesn't cause you to change your neck position. From here, we're going to go straight up and you're immediately going to look for yourself at the front of the room or look at what you were spotting. So a little faster now. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Good. If at any point during these exercises you start to feel pain in your neck or some sort of pinching, immediately stop, stretch out the neck, take a break, and wait until that pain goes away before you start up again. And see if you can pinpoint maybe what happened to cause that pain. If you are holding tension in your upper body and your back, or if you twist your neck funny as you do this, you could cause some pain and discomfort. So go really slowly and really carefully, really listen to your body so that you don't end up injuring yourself. Okay, so we're going to put this with footwork that matches what we're doing. We're going to take a right turn going 1, 2, 3, broken right turn, and then 5, 6, 7. So we're going to walk out that turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now our head roll is going to happen when it makes the most sense to turn our bodies to our right. So notice how that head roll, because it's going to the left side, is going to help your body turn right. So again, with the head roll, we're going to go nice and slow. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. On 5, as we step forward towards our left foot facing the back of our room, 5, you're going to angle that ear down. When you turn and you bring the right foot back, 6, 7. So the head roll within this choreo happens between 5 and 6. So it's almost 5 and 6, 7. So you're moving the head between those two steps. Slow again. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now head rolls can be super disorienting because you're spinning your head around, you're moving the fluid in your ear, and you're not looking at anything for a second. So don't worry if it makes you feel more off balance before you feel like it's actually working with your turn. Now you want to find the front of your room as fast as you can. And what I do as I'm turning is, even though I'm not looking where I need to end up because I'm head rolling, you want to have a really conscious and clear picture of what you need to look at, whether it's yourself or something else in the room that you're spotting, so that your brain is saying that thing you want to look at, like doorknob or mirror. So that way you look at it quicker. If you say it, you start to internalize it, and you can even picture what you need to look at. Let's try it again, a little more continuously. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last thing that will help you is keeping the footwork close together. So when you take that 5, if you swing this right foot back on 6, you might throw yourself off balance. If you keep your footwork really close together, 6, 7, then your chances of balancing are a little higher. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we went left to right. Second one is going to be right to left. So to practice first, we drop our ear down without crunching the sides of the body. We tuck our chin down, looking towards the floor, and then we lift straight up, right up to center. So we're going check mark, one side, and up. A little faster, we go 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Now faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Good. Now we're going to do a left turn because we're starting to the right. This is going to help us turn left. So first we're going to do the footwork for our head rolls from right to left. 5, 6, broken left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now with the head roll, we take our basic 1, 2, 3, 5. Now the head roll is going to start 6 and then come up on 7 as we face the front. So we go 6, weights on the right foot. We're tucking our right ear towards our right shoulder, and then we quickly drop down. We look at the floor and forward to the front as we go to our left foot on 7. A little more continuously. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Nice. Now let's try that back to back. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Take some time to practice these. Go nice and slow. Go at your own pace. When you're ready, we'll try it with some music.